Hi guys, welcome to my AI agents lecture where I'll be covering lecture 2 today. So guys, today we have two topics set for today. One is parallelization and another one is routing. Let's get started quickly. Now guys, what is parallelization? It's the same idea. Whatever parallel means, that means we'll be distributing independent tasks across multiple LLMs or for that matter a same LLM as well for concurrent processing. So that is okay guys. So what usually happens is guys, let's just give you a code walkthrough. In the last class I shown you, this line is used to pip install. Then guys, here in the last class I shown you how to create the Gemini API key, and then we have a .env setup just to load the environment variables. We are setting up the environment variables, and then I'm loading our main class that we would use, and then guys we're just creating an object, okay, of the LLM, so that whenever we call .invoke we'll be able to use it very efficiently and in the most simpler manner. That is the power of LangChain. Okay, if you are new to LangChain, don't worry guys, it's just a framework. Okay, in simple language you can consider it is a Python library which will help you automate, not automate, essentially design efficient LLM based workflow. So let's move down. So guys, now the main idea is parallelization. So guys, you have a task, you broken down into subtasks and assume that all tasks are independent of one another. Okay, now when the tasks are independent of one another, you can have these three running in parallel and then maybe have a system in the end which would combine results from all and give you the final output. Okay, now let's just try to see. From concurrent features, import thread pool executor. So here for the time being I'm just giving you a demo guys. This is not how actual parallelization works in Python. Python has few considerations. For the time being, forget it, just understand and feel the idea of parallelization. Okay, now the main thing that we need to discuss here is parallelization. So this is this list of messages which I want to translate. So the task which is in hand is translation, and we want to translate it into Hindi. Okay, now I have defined a simple function. This function takes a message and translate it using the LLM. Return llm.invoke, translate this to Hindi, only give me the translation, no explanation or any other text. Tell me guys, it's okay till now, I know. Now let's move ahead and now let's try to see what we are doing. So guys, we are trying to create a system. We are trying to create a code which will help us allocate three workers at runtime. That means all these three things guys, see we are using the map function. So this one would be mapped to this. That means all the items inside A, so A has three items, all three would be mapped one to one to this message string. Okay guys, now the main idea is that what we are having is, why we are doing is because we want to process things in parallel. Okay, I don't want to have a sequential API call, I want to have parallel processing. That means my all three API calls would be executed in parallel. Now let's just try to run it. So see guys, how quickly in almost 1.8 seconds guys you got the answer for translation. Okay, because guys we are using thread pool executor, it's just gonna help us allocate three workers, and in each three worker one thing is going to get translated. Okay, and using the map function it will help us map each item of this list to this prompt that we have created. Tell me guys, it's not okay? And guys, we are just creating a list which is just wrapping everything inside so that later we can iterate in a list using a simple for loop. Okay guys, this is what parallelization is in simple terms. It is, I understand there are few complications in Python specific to parallelization. Forget that for the moment. Just try to uh, appreciate the idea of parallelization. That is simply running things in parallel with multiple or same LLM if it allows you the capacity to do it. Now guys, the next topic is very famous, very popular, and specifically guys used in industry a lot. That is routing. So guys, see what we need to do is we need to dynamically select specialized LLM's path based on characteristics. Now see guys, just try to understand this idea that you are into an insurance company, you are an AI engineer in an insurance company, and they come to you and they say, hey, we have built a chatbot but it's not able to allocate the tickets properly because there is life insurance, health insurance, car insurance, home insurance, and general consultation. There are separate teams who handle it. So guys, you will think that okay, I might be able to use routing over here. So see what we are doing. First of all, we are printing options dot split, so we are just splitting it. Okay, this is just for basic text pre-processing. Now guys, what is my input question? My car is damaged, I want to buy a car insurance policy. So guys, where it would get routed? This would get routed over here, car insurance. Okay, now selection prompt. So what is the user query? My car is damaged. Okay, I'm using f string. Analyze the user query and select the most relevant option from the list of options. So which is the list of options? Here. First explain your reasoning and then give me the answer in XML format. So okay guys, this is very important. XML format. For the time being, if you are new to it, just Google it, search about it. It's simple. In this term you will have the answer. Okay, so I'm just doing it like, give me the tags, close that tag, give me the tag, close that tag, and what is the answer, put it here, and what is the reason, put it here. That's it guys. This will help me pre-process text, and that's gonna help me create efficient LLM based workflows, because I might have a case where I might want to embed this in DB, and everything will be shown in this course guys, don't worry. Now guys, see, we are just writing a simple cleaner function which will help me extract text between these tags. Okay, it will help me extract tag between this reasoning and this reasoning, this answer and this answer. Let's just try to run this, and let's just try to run this as well. So see guys, we got this thing, and now guys, whatever will be your option selected, right, you can have an entire downstream flow based on that option. So right now I have just added some basic print statements, right, and you can guys inside these add anything, right, add any custom business logic guys. Okay, any custom business logic, whatever you want to do it, any custom business logic you can add. Okay, it's very simple, very efficient, and being used across the industry a lot. And because guys, see, the problem is, this is where sometimes the LLM struggle, right? If you'll ask them to do everything at once, they might struggle. And also you can have the look at the reasoning over here, you can have the look at the answer over here, you can store both of them into a database. Okay, then over time you can observe the performance. Okay, performance, and then guys, later on, if you have good data available, you can fine tune the LLM. So guys, these type of things are some things which will really help you ace the accuracy of LLMs. And yes guys, these type of things are not super scalable in terms of an idea, that this is more towards developing end-to-end agents or end-to-end workflows which will help you automate an entire task. So tell me guys, in every support system, right, wherever you have tickets being allocated, right, everyone has some sort of tech, and let's say a tech which is of legacy systems maybe has a person who is assigning tickets, that hey, this is the query that you need to resolve, this is the query that you need to resolve. All this happens guys, all this can be automated, and you are able to see how simple it is. Only thing you need to know is some basic Python language, in terms of basic text pre-processing, and just have an idea clear that once my route is correct, I can just explicitly define whatever business logic is there. And guys, only thing we are doing over here is we are just trying to extract the relevant option. Okay, what is the relevant options? Car insurance, health insurance, and then guys, we are just extracting the reasoning as well. Sometimes guys, it becomes important in some applications where people are like that, what, why did an LLM choose this? So you could show them this reasoning. So guys, these type of things are very important. This will help you create workflows, this will help you create agents, this will help you create the digital workforce that I'm talking about, and everything will be shown in this course. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubt regarding anything, directly reach out to me on LinkedIn or Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.